Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing chocolate banana smoothie, a healthy breakfast in your weight loss journey. This smoothie is filling and will keep you fuller till lunchtime. This is also an ideal post-workout smoothie. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make chocolate banana smoothie, I'm using one whole ripe banana, and make sure that the banana has some black spots like this. This ensures that the banana is sweet. You can of course make this with a frozen banana, but today I'm using fresh banana. So I'm just adding the banana into the blender. And then I'm adding in 1 glass of water. So this is the glass which I measured water. I'm adding in 2 sticks of cinnamon. These are organic cinnamon which I buy from RARS Amblavile. It's a research station in Amblavile, Wayanad. If you ever pass by Wayanad, make sure you visit a regional research center at Amblavile. You can get many organic spices from their sales counter. They do have a big organic farm. You can even visit the farm. To know more about the health benefits of cinnamon, please do check my cinnamon tea recipe. The best thing about cinnamon is that it helps to boost your metabolism. So that is one of the reasons why I like to use cinnamon in my smoothies. So I'm just adding it into the smoothie. Now you can also use good quality organic cinnamon powder instead of whole cinnamon. Now for some healthy fats, I'm adding in about 6 cashew nuts. Now instead of cashew nuts, you can also use about 7 to 8 soaked and peeled almonds or even peanuts. I'm using this cocoa powder in this recipe. It is 100% cocoa, natural and unsweetened. No artificial colors, no preservatives, no artificial flavors. And you can see that it has 0 sugar. This is not a sponsored video. I'm not endorsing any brand. I just happen to like this particular cocoa powder, so I thought I'll just share with you guys. The buying links will be updated below the description box. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. Now since the cocoa powder is unsweetened, for some added sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. For some added omega-3s, I'm adding in about 1.5 tablespoon of flaxseed. These are unroasted flax seeds and they will grind well along with the rest of the ingredients, so you don't need to actually grind them before adding it into the smoothie. I'm adding in 100% pure natural honey. So this is the brand I'm using. In case you want to source this, these are the details. One thing you should always remember when you're using honey is that you should never heat honey nor add honey to very cold food. That is one thing which you should always keep in mind, never to heat honey. I recently shared a granola bar recipe and many of you had asked me whether you can use honey instead of jaggery in that recipe. You should not add honey if you are baking a particular recipe. Honey should never be heated. Just keep that in mind when you're using honey. And this is how 100% raw honey looks like. It is thick and creamy and it has an amazing taste. So I'm adding in the thick 100% natural organic honey. You can see how thick it is. And now I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Now pour the blended smoothie into a serving glass. Sprinkle in half teaspoon chia seeds, and my healthy and filling chocolate banana smoothie is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a filling breakfast in your weight loss journey. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.